Hello everyone. Today we discuss about how much important to learn English language, especially spoken English. If you learn English language, you can interact with so many people and you can access so many books, especially foreign language written by the foreign author. I know you are here today because you want to learn spoken English. In this channel provide I will provide video on the basis of the various spoken English topic. I will build your spoken English and vocab. On one things I want to share with you that to learn spoken English you have to keep practicing more and more. English is spoken by the millions of people all over the world. Even if you are different countries, for example, if someone from India want to talk with someone from Japan, they will probably use the English language. So, if you know how to speak English, you can talk to the people from different parts of the world. This helps you to make new friends, learn new things, and understand different culture. English is everywhere on the internet, in movies, even in the video games also. Most websites are in English language. Many people used to play games and watch movies, TV shows are also in English language too. When you understand the English language, you can enjoy this without need subtitles or translation. You can also learn a lot of new information from the internet as much as of it. It helps you communicate, study, work, and even enjoy the entertainment. If you want to improve your English language, English speaking, keep practicing. Don't be afraid to make mistake. Remember it. The more you practice, the better you will get. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful video. Jai Hind.